Listen to the conversation and answer the questions.
Hey Shannon, what are you reading?
Oh, hi, Brad. I'm just reading about women astronauts. That's what I want to become when I grow up.
A woman astronaut? That sounds cool. But wouldn't you be scared about going up to space?
No, not really. I want to explore space. I think it would be very adventurous.
You'd probably have to be strong to travel in space.
Well, I have to get good grades in many subjects first. Like biology, mathematics, physics, and so on.
That sounds like a lot of studying.
Yeah, but it pays off in the end. Oh, and I should learn to speak different languages.
Why?
Because there will be many astronauts from different countries. I may have to communicate with astronauts from Russia or China. So I need to be prepared.
Girls, be ambitious, Shannon.
Thanks, Brad.
Part 1. Comprehension. What is Shannon reading about? Why is Shannon reading about women astronauts? Why does Shannon want to become an astronaut? How does Brad feel about going to space? What does Shannon need to study? An astronaut is a person who is trained to travel into space. They go to space to explore, conduct experiments, and learn more about the universe. Sounds cool. It is a way to say something that seems interesting, fun, or exciting. Adventurous. This means being willing to try new and exciting things, especially if they involve risks or challenges. Grade. Grades are the scores or marks that students receive to show how well they did in their schoolwork. And so on. And so on is a phrase used to show that there are more similar things that could be listed, but you don't need to say them all. Payoff. This means that something you have worked hard for and put effort into gives you good results or rewards in the end. communicate. It means to share information, thoughts, or feelings with other people, either through speaking, writing, or using body language. Ambitious. It means having a strong desire to achieve your goals or succeed at something. Role play. Listen to Brad and play the role of Shannon.
Hey Shannon, what are you reading? Woman astronaut? That sounds cool. But wouldn't you be scared about going up to space? You'd probably have to be strong to travel in space. That sounds like a lot of studying. Why? Girls, be ambitious, Shannon.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. I very much appreciate it.